Peter, do you have some good news for financial intermediaries?
If they're at the summit and they paid taxes and they got paid last month, that's good news. But in all seriousness, I think financial adversity actually brings the best out of the value of financial advice, because consumers actually need their money to work harder in times of financial constraint. So this current period we're in, together with the next 3 to 5 years, while the economy hopefully rectifies itself, will be the most important from a financial advice point of view for consumers. So we're actually living in a window of massive opportunity if we take advantage of the situation. And we believe that the financial sector has a big role to play to helping us fulfill that dream of getting the South Africa we actually deserve and want. The role of the FIA in the insurance climate is multidimensional. One, mainly because the changes impacting are not from one aspect only. So much focus is placed on regulation and legislation, but it's actually far beyond that, because even without regulation and legislation, if intermediaries and advisors kept their models the same, they would probably become extinct or defunct. Because remember, at the same time, you're having societal change, you're having economic change in South Africa, socio-economic change, together with climate change, regulations. So what's happening is we have a perfect storm of all of this congruence coming together at the same time. So it's actually, from an advisor point of view, or anyone in this industry, it is the most exciting time to be in the industry. On the other hand, it could be the most fearful time to be in the industry, depending on one's outlook.
And finally, what do you foresee for the broker environment post-2020?
We just had a panel on fintech, and I think fintech will be integral to the delivery of any advisor. I won't say it will be the total source, but it will augment the services provided by advisors. I also believe that just because of the economic conditions of the country, we'll start to see a convergence between the different elements of financial services. And that's why it's so great that the FIA actually represents across the board, from the investment side, healthcare, life, short-term. And I think it's just because of the circumstances, the regulation, legislation, economic, all coming together at the same time, will accelerate that move towards convergence.